which is a Mazda CX-30. It was in for a new car protection package, so it received our 5-year ceramic coating and the preparation that goes along with that. So it received an exterior detail, a decontamination wash and clay to get rid of any contaminants on the paintwork, a gloss enhancement polish just to bring out the best in the factory paintwork, and then the coating was applied. Let's do a quick walk around and check out the results. New car protection packages and ceramic coatings is what we do. It's our specialty. If you're purchasing a new car and you're not satisfied with the dealership options, or you already own the car and you'd like it to look its best, reach out to us on our social media through Facebook. You can go to www.glosssyndicate.com.au. You can also check us out on Instagram. Thank you. Have a great finish to 2020, and we'll see you all in the new year.